Okay, so snickerdoodle freaking popcorn from the makers of smartfood popcorn. Let's give it a try, guys. Handful, little handful, here we go. What's up, guys? It's your boy Jackknife 2000. Sorry guys, it's been a long time since I did a taste test video on the channel. I have been going through some things. I've been trying to set up my Facebook gaming, guys. Make sure you guys go check out my Facebook gaming. It's actually on Facebook. It's Jackknife 2000 Gaming. That's all you guys got to do. It's freaking awesome, guys. So today, guys, we're gonna be doing a taste test video on this bad boy. But first, I wanna give a shout out to my boy, Trey Hardy. He also does taste tests. I mean, he's just starting off, he's brand new at it, so make sure you guys go show him some love. My boy Solo also does taste test videos as well, guys. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to also give you guys a quick update, guys, that I will be doing more vlogs. I have lots of vlogs saved up. I've just been focusing on trying to get myself higher in my gaming community, but now that I'm starting to get kind of where I want to be at, I'm gonna go ahead and just move forward with the vlogging. So anyways, guys, today we're gonna be trying this. Now, before I show you what this is, guys, you guys already see because the title and maybe the thumbnail, but these right here are very delicious and they're healthy-ish. Not really like super healthy because this kind of stuff is not necessarily healthy for you in general. These come in all different types of flavors, guys, but today we're gonna be trying the snickerdoodle. Look at that, guys. We're gonna be trying the snickerdoodle freaking smart food, guys. Snickerdoodle freaking popcorn, limited holiday flavor edition, guys. It's awesome. All right, guys, so we are going to be going ahead and popping these bad boys open today, guys. Let's go ahead and pop it open and get that first smell, guys. Now, if you ever had snickerdoodle the cookie, it's very delicious. Now, I like these in the cheddar and I like them in the hot because they have a hot Cheeto version. I haven't actually tried it, but I like hot Cheetos, so I figure I would like it. Anyways, guys, so first smell. Oh my God. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells delicious, guys. These popcorn, the people who make these popcorn, guys, the people who make the smart food people who make these popcorn, yo, their cheddar one, I just can't stop eating it when I eat it. I just can't stop eating it. It's so delicious, you know what I'm saying? And that goes for the other flavors they have. They have other flavors as well, sorry. But yeah, guys, this has got me freaking flabbergasted. This shit smells delicious. Oh my goodness. Clearly this popcorn has been enlarged to show the texture. That's what it says right here. But yo, guys, I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm gonna like this. I got my trusty drink here, guys. My triple shot, it's coffee. Old man, gotta have my coffee. You know, that's how it is. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's pop this bad boy into my mouth and check it out, guys. Ha! Gay! Let me show you guys real quick before I do that. Let me show you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Would you? Yo, that's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Okay, so snickerdoodle freaking popcorn from the makers of smartfood popcorn. Let's give it a try, guys. Handful, little handful, here we go.
Look at this dude.
Do it again. Let me just, you know, the first one might have been rigged, you know. First put your hand in. All right, hold on. Okay. Okay guys, so here's the first thing I noticed. When you take a bite of that, you do taste the snickerdoodle taste, and I mean, it's all there. It tastes like a snickerdoodle popcorn, it really does. However, this company's name is Smartfood. So it's not gonna be overly sugary, overly, you know, hyped up. It's just got just enough for you to be like, okay, I'm eating something sort of healthy, but at the same time, you're being able to enjoy yourself. This is a limited edition, guys, so make sure you guys go and pick this up now, guys. It's in gas stations. I think it's at Walmart, guys. So go pick this up right now while it's still here. It's probably gonna be gone in a month or two, so you won't be able to get this. Yeah, it's just right. It's enough to make you want more, but at the same time, it's like, calm down, fam. This is not super sugary like an actual snickerdoodle, you know what I'm saying? So, for giving this project, I'm gonna have to actually give this a 10 out of 10 simply because it tastes like what is being advertised here. That's the first thing. Second of all, it is smart food and it is giving you that like limitation taste, like, hey, look, calm down. We're not trying to get too crazy. We want to give you guys a little hint of freedom, you know what I'm saying? Especially for people who are on diets and stuff. Yeah, this whole bag is 290 calories, and I guess a serving is, let's see, 2.5 cups, I guess. So yeah, that's not bad. You know, that's like 3 handfuls or so. You know, for me, I have big hands. I mean, Jesus Christ, man, I didn't get slapped by that. Just like, oh, you're finished, you know. But anyways, guys, yo, so yeah. 10 out of 10, this has been your boy, Jackknife 2000. Tell me if you guys have had this. If you guys haven't had it, tell me which kind you guys want to try, or if there's any other thing out there that you guys want like me to try, let me know in the comments below, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel because I'll be using it more in 2020, guys. 2021. Sorry. Gosh, I got the 2020 mentality. But yeah, guys, this has been your boy, Jackknife 2000. Thank you guys so much for coming and showing me love and even liking my video. It means so much to me. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and as always, my friends, 3 flowers grease. Until the next video, my friends, peace.